We're on to page 6. So page 6 I am going to trim NTPH04, and this is for the back cover, and I'm going to trim this to 12 inches exactly. I'm not taking it less because remember we've got that little bit of extra. This is NTPH03, and this one, remember, we've used on the front inner cover, so we're going to use the other side in the back inner cover. So we'll come to that second. Let's work on this one first. And this one, I want to be able to do a single page layout on this one. So I want to use the whole sheet, so I'm going to score a 3 1/8. And that is going there. And then I'm going to use this one on this side, but I'm going to remove, I might trim that down a little bit more, but I'm going to remove that section. We've already got that section on the front inner cover, so we're going to use this section on the back inner cover. So we are going to trim that off. Whoops, it's about to fall on the floor. We're going to trim this to I'm thinking 9 3/8. 9 3/8. That's 10 3/8. Let's clear my desk. Okay, so first we're going to pop this one down. Got the sepia tones in this paper. I also quite like this plain green, but we've got all these beautiful images, so we might as well use them. And there's the back cover. I also want to put something on the back of this, even though we've got the leather look. So I might come in with something along this or maybe with one of these. I'll decide what I'm going to do later.